Got a package a couple days ago from Keys Motorsports. The inner door handles. Gonna be installing today. Hopefully don't mess anything up. But before we even started this, I saw like a video a couple of days ago of like these carbon fiber like ones on the inside, and mine's used to have it. Comes to find out, it was just like a overlay, like a something that goes over it. But I saw it like forever ago, and I'm coming outside. I'm like, wait, so is it mine's like doing this? Comes to figure out it is, and my seat, like my bro, like they're done for, bro. They're done for, bro. Like so much gunk came off my hand, bro. It was crazy. But we're gonna try to install it today. Now there is a groove that you're gonna use your pry tool. You're gonna be able to feel it. It's like right here. Yeah, right there. So what you wanna do is put it in there. Like I said, get in that bottom groove, pry up. Now that I am done struggling with gunk on my fingers and crap, I can like pretty much pull it off. Almost. One of them. All right, well that's off. That was annoying. So much gunk, bro. So now there's a T20 screw right there, and there's a T20 screw down here. So what you want to do is grab your tools. Grab my little T20. Take it out. So put that thing in there. Start screwing it out. So I pretty much just put my trim tool under here, like right here, like probably where this like little scoop thing meets with the bottom. Try to go anywhere else, really didn't matter. Just put it there. Made a boop sound. So we're just gonna keep traveling, and then just gonna hear another boop sound somewhere else, like that. Keep going. So you get all the way up. That sounded a little bit bad, but it's okay. There you go. Be careful when you get up to here, because this needs to come out. Damn, my finger's stuck. Alright. Enough getting my finger stuck there. When you unclip the one on top of here, give the latch some leeway. And then, yeah. And then the last thing should come off like that. And there you go, an exposed inside of a door. Also, I'm gonna need new speakers. And then pretty much next, you're gonna unplug the ambient lighting. I have no idea how to unplug this. Oh, okay. And then on the bottom right there, you're gonna unplug it too. This is really hard to record. Now pretty much you're gonna take a drill to this and then this. A little power drill. Don't go too hard on it. It's just plastic, so it's just enough to pop it off. So just like that, literally. Just stop once that like happens. Then after you're done, go to the other side. Yep, there you go. All right, so pretty much what I did was go in through one of these holes. I forgot which one it was. You gotta look at Brian from Keys Motorsports video. But then you take out the module right here. Then you're gonna disconnect it. All right, now that I got this disconnected from this, there's gonna be two more plastic things we gotta drill out. One right there, one right there. You can probably see that one more better because of the light. But yeah. So I just took off previous door handle. So disgusting. Guys, the night and day difference on these is crazy. Now what you're gonna do is grab your new door handle after you're done like switching the clips and all, and line them up. Now there's 4 T20 screws that come with this. Gonna lay it down. Gonna do those two, then those two inside. So I'm gonna start from there first. Now I've got those two down. Now I'm just reconnecting these connections back. Just put the, what you call, module for the window. But all I got left is to connect this. Well, you can't see it, but you know that, and then pretty much almost there. All right, so got the door handle on. Had to go clean this. Had to clean my hand. Still can see that right there. I don't know, the door handle just feels better now. I like it.